Howdy folks, I'm here to give you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21. So this is the normal Samsung Galaxy S21, not the Plus and not the Ultra. This is the plebian version that's retailing for $800. I got the 256 gig size one, so that's an extra $50 and that was $850. I got it off of Google Fi. And it shipped actually very quickly. So I used Google Fi. I got it off the Google Store. I ordered it actually just 4 days ago on February 2nd, and today is February 5. So it arrived very quickly. And right now I'm actually in Honolulu, Hawaii. So it arrived surprisingly fast for it. So I could open the box. It's very simple packaging. Very simple device. Let's see. I guess I'll peel it open. This might take a while. Give me a sec. So what I'm most curious about as a Google Fi user is whether this includes a SIM card, because I read that okay, so yeah, here it is. Because I read that they don't, Samsung devices don't use the eSIM system. So I'm curious as to whether I need to order another SIM or whether there's already a SIM card in here for Google Fi. So I'm glad that they provided that little pin so that I don't have to, well, I'd be pretty screwed if that pin didn't exist. So I'm going to use this. Sorry, it's kind of stuck. Okay. Here. Wait, which hole did I put it in? There's two holes. There's two holes. I'm not sure which hole I put it in. I guess I don't put it in the hole that says don't put it in. I put it in the hole that says, okay, cool. Glad they made a drawing of this. Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. There is already a SIM card here. I'm actually really happy about that. So I don't have to deal with getting a SIM card from Google. Sweet. Alright. So yeah, this is the Samsung S21. They've got that little seal in the front. Or that little screen protector. Cool, I guess I'll try turning it on. Cool, and it looks like the back is, I think most people have said that it's plastic. Definitely feels like plastic. And the front is not plastic. Cool, let's see what else is in the box. This thing says cable inside. I have a feeling it's going to be a cable inside. Yep, yeah, it's a cable inside. Let's see what kind of cable. USB-C to USB-C. I wonder what amperage it's rated for, but whatever. What else is in here? Quick reference guide. Paper. Blah, blah. Some Google Fi thing. Cool, yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.